What's up, YouTube? I don't know if I told y'all, but you know, the one with the blade came in, and since I got better with the trainer, I thought I'd buy one of those, one of the real ones. And I tell you what, man, it's been like lots of fun. I mean, I didn't like kind of nick myself, but I mean, it wasn't like bad. So I'm gonna show y'all how good I've been getting with it. So yeah. Alright, this is how much stuff is it. I'm just gonna go. Gotta get better with this one though, especially with the blade, because I was so used to it with my trainer, and my trainer's more lightweight than this one, so I gotta get used to rotating with like this kind of weight and whatnot. But on this one, I'm good as gold. Anyway, yeah. You know, it's a lot of fun. They're called butterfly knives, ballast longs, and like, you know, I've been watching like tons of YouTube tutorials. You know, YouTube tutorials taught me to flip, like get it through your hands. You know, it's a lot of fun. You know, check. Yeah, peace.